number one is to chop up nice and small, about 3 to 4 cups of ham. Put it in the frying pan and brown it. Make sure all the water is out. You don't want any excess liquid in there when the eggs go in. That's step one. Step number two, crack 3 1/2 dozen eggs. Make sure you have no shells in there. Put them in a mixer or use a hand mixer, but make sure every egg has been mixed. Once it's mixed well, put in 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of chopped catnip, and a couple sprinkles of black pepper. That's it.
Okay, once you got all those ingredients mixed, you put them in the pan together with a hand. Continually, you stir this, and you just keep stirring it. You don't want it to stick. Okay, you do that, and in a minute we'll show you what the next step is once you get all this cooked down. So after about 10-15 minutes, you see I've got everything at a soft stage. Now I'll just loosen up these edges and I'll let this sit for another 5 minutes to set up on the bottom. When we come back a couple minutes later, we'll show you the key part of the egg cake is the flip. And we'll be back in a couple of seconds. Right. Lid on it. Give her a flip. Have your sister come over and help you.
How's the baby?
Work it back into the pan gently.
Is she off the monitor yet?
Toast up the bottom 5-6 minutes. Get the bottom done. Flip her out and enjoy your food. Happy Easter. So anyway, we're on the last one now. Get a little bit back to normalcy. Just give you a little brief introduction of how this catnip cake, egg cake, Easter egg cake tradition started. Apparently a long time ago there was poor immigrants that lived over in Italy at the time, and all they had was catnip and eggs and Parmesan cheese. So we don't know the original roots of this. All we know is it's been going on for a long time. It's not something that this family just came up with. Probably 100 years or maybe better at this time. The fun part of the beginning is the hunt. Harold will show you some of the prizes over here in the corner. Show that prize, will you? All right, once again, enjoy your Easter. Next year, feel free to have at it. You got everything you need to go.
Thank you.